Hey, are you trying to make something in Canva to get printed, but your printer keeps going back to you and saying that it's not the right size or that there's no bleed? Well, I'm here to help. As an example, I will be making a business card. My printer, the standard size that they want for business cards is 90 millimeters by 55 millimeters. So I'm just going to go to create a design over here. There is an option for business cards. However, the size doesn't match the size that my printer wants. So here it's 8.5 centimeters by 5 centimeters, but my printer wants it to be 95 millimeters by 55 millimeters, which is 9 times 5.5 centimeters. So it doesn't match. So instead, I'm going to go into custom size, and I'm just going to enter the size in. Oh, so you need to make sure that you select the correct units, so millimeters. So I want it to be landscape, so my width will be 90 and my height will be 55. If you want it to be portrait, then swap that around. So the size you'll be entering is depending on what size your printer will need. There we go. And then you can make your design. So I'm just going to quickly make something up. There we go. And so now, normally if you go, you can just go download, uh, select PDF print, and there's an option to go Comax and bleed here, but it doesn't give you the option to edit the bleed. So you don't know if it's actually done correctly or not, because it's just automatically adding the bleed in. So I'll show you examples, so we'll download that. Let's zoom in. So here, so this is the crop marks. Yep. And the bleed is supposed to extend past that line there, so it's not done correctly. So there's no bleed here at the left, the top, or the right side. But there is bleed at the bottom. But you can see that the orange box isn't done correctly either. It's not going to the bleed. So it's not really helpful. I'll show you how to fix that. So you'll need to go into File, and then there's an option here which says Show Print Bleed. So you need to select that, and now it will show you the bleed area, and now you'll be able to edit it. So we'll need to extend anything that's touching the edge. Anything that you want to go all the way to the edge, you'll have to extend it to the bleed area. So I'll be extending my background like so. And I want this orange to go all the way to the edge as well, so I'll be extending that as well. And there we go. So everything's going all the way to the edge, and now we just need to go download. Again, change to PDF print, select cut marks and bleed, and download. And let's look at it now. Yep, and now you can see that the bleed is definitely included now. And that's how you do it. Hope that helped. Bye bye.